If you're tired of late entries, fake signals, and overcomplicated charts, this could change everything. Today, I'm revealing what might be the most powerful buy-sell indicator ever created on TradingView. The best part? I fully backtested it, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. Watch the video all the way through to uncover the indicator's name and our exclusive settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, quantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's break down this next-gen trading tool that could be the edge your strategy's been missing. The indicator is an advanced trading tool that combines volume-adjusted moving averages with a dynamic supertrend system. The supertrend line is calculated using ATR over a user-defined period, with separate multipliers for long and short positions. As a result, this indicator provides a robust framework for identifying market trends and entry or exit points. In terms of trading rules, when the price moves above the upper band, the volume mainline turns green, which signals a long entry. Boom, the price skyrocketed, and we locked in roughly $600 in profit from just one trade. In a bearish scenario, when the price drops below the lower band, the volume mainline turns pink, giving us a direct signal to go short. Voila! The indicator performed flawlessly in a bear market too, generating over $300 in profit within a few hours. To integrate this powerful tool, go to the Indicator tab. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type in volume MA Supertrend and select the following indicator. However, don't be quick to use it with the default settings. If you want to avoid falling into the trap of multiple false signals during a ranging market. With that, let's fix this and optimize the settings to achieve the maximum performance. So go to the Inputs tab, where we'll be adjusting two main sets of parameters. First, we have the Supertrend settings, which allow us to fine-tune the sensitivity for both long and short signals. With that, change the Supertrend length to 32, and then adjust the long multiplier to 3.1, while setting the short multiplier at 4. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, quantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access quantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. Moving on, we have the moving average settings, where you can choose your preferred MA type and modify the length to make trend signals either smoother or more responsive. So, change the MA type to ALMA and adjust the length to 25. At this point, let's move on and combine it with a mind-blowing momentum filter to improve the performance even more. The confirmation filter we applied blends various moving average types with the distinctive MA shift oscillator, helping traders visualize trend direction, price deviations, and mean reversion conditions. So, to validate a buy signal from the volume supertrend indicator, the MA shift bar must have a bright green color. Similarly, to confirm a sell signal from the volume supertrend indicator, the MA shift bar should be colored yellow. Bingo! See how efficiently this indicator filtered out false signals during the sideways market. To add this highly effective filter, open the Indicators tab, search for Moving Average Shift, and add this one to the chart. Now, let's optimize the settings. Head to the Inputs tab, set the type to VWMA, change the length to 66, adjust this parameter the following way, and set the MA shift length to 46. At this stage, let's take a look at the strategy's live performance and review the backtesting results. So the supertrend mainline becomes pink, giving us a sell signal. Next, the MA shift bar is yellow, confirming our entry. We enter here, placing the stop above the recent high and aiming for a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. Bingo, our target was hit. The supertrend line changes its color to green here, but the MA shift bar has a dim green color, so no entry. The super trend line is pink again, and we have a yellow MA shift bar along the bottom. We enter the trade with the same stop and target. Success. Here, the super trend turns green, and the MA shift bar is bright green, allowing us to go long. We set a stop below the latest low with a 1.5 to 1 RR target. Boom, TP level smashed. The super trend line turns pink, and the MA shift bar is yellow. We enter the trade with the same stop and target. Voila, another win. The main line becomes green, and we have a bright green MA shift bar. Let's go long with the same risk profile. Success. Here, we have a sell signal, but the MA shift bar is orange, so no entry. A buy signal appears here, but since the bar at the bottom is yellow, we skip the entry. For now, let's launch our strategy builder to swiftly generate comprehensive backtesting data. The Quant Capital Strategy Builder allows you to backtest any indicator in less than 60 seconds. Simply open the settings, navigate to the Set Long Conditions tab, choose a parameter that aligns with the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the process for the sell signals. Here are the results for Ethereum using just the first indicator on the 15-minute time frame. And we're already seeing mind-blowing results that are absolutely insane. We achieved a net profit of 377%, with an impressive win rate nearing 71%. We also recorded 9 consecutive wins compared to just 3 consecutive losses. However, we're not entirely satisfied with the max drawdown of 26.4%. With that, return to the builder settings, where the trading filter has been integrated, and activate it by clicking right here. Boom! We've just got even stronger results. Our win rate jumped to around 75%. And most importantly, we cut the max drawdown down to just 17%. Net profit reached 277% from only 87 trades, resulting in a significantly higher profit per trade than before. In addition, we logged 14 wins in a row versus only 2 consecutive losses. Finally, our equity curve looks outstanding, and we've surpassed the performance of the buy and hold strategy. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.